Lillesand, and we're here with Emil Lybekk and Truls, the two last world champions of Døds, and we're here to learn how to Døds. So this is the Døds school. What is Døds?
Oh, it's about being the most badass dude and showing up for the girls.
Shit. We're basically tossing ourselves out flat, right?
Yeah. To impress the girls.
To impress the girls.
Basically.
Okay.
Go out in a belly flop position.
Yes.
And right before you hit the water, just tuck together.
Tuck together.
To minimize the pain.
That's with your elbows and your legs pressed together.
So it's more like a bomb.
Yeah, call it a bomb.
Closer to a bomb.
Yep.
Just with the front first.
Yep.
Sick. So if we're gonna start here, then we just go out in a belly flop position and then just tuck in like this. Okay. Can we see you guys Døds here? And I'm gonna do the last. Okay.
My turn.
I'm ready to ride.
Your turn.
Okay, let's do this. You need to go fast.
What do you say?
Check.
Check.
Higher.
Good enough? Higher. Higher. I agree. Higher.
We need to get in up in the tower. 5 meters. That's
a
the
minimum.
first step.
Yeah.
Let's see this. This is about 2.5 meters, maybe.
2.5.
2.5.
Second step into the Dutch school.
Level 2.
Time to step it up.
You're thinking
Do we
too much.
death dive in waves?
Yeah, that's cool.
That's cool, okay. Yeah, fuck it. Jag driter. Okay. 1, 2.
Perfect.
What do you say? Right up to the
Level 3.
Level 3.
Very high.
Welcome to level 3.
Level 3. 5 meters, I guess.
If you turn your head, that's not good.
If I turn my head,
Turn your head like this
yeah,
and land flat on the air.
yeah,
That's not good.
that's not good.
No.
We have to commit.
Yeah.
The key to success, we gotta commit. And yeah, let's just send it.
Let's do it. Right, you next.
Yep. Bro, where are you? Let's get it. We went for it.
Så grei ut.
Perfect form.
Perfect form.
How do you say, was it good?
Perfect form.
Perfect?
He went for the man landing, the underarms. I'm proud of him.
Alright.
10 out of 10. So now we're gonna try to qualify. Tomorrow we're going at 12 meters. Gonna try to win this shit.